Big political war, meanwhile, breaking out over exit poll projections. India Today's Axis My India survey has projected 361 to 401 seats to the NDA and 131 to 166 seats to the India bloc in 2024 Lok Sabha elections. This has triggered a massive political war now, and the opposition alliance rejecting these exit poll numbers. India bloc claims they are winning at least 295 seats, will be forming the government at the centre indeed. Congress's Wayanad MP, Rai Bareli candidate Rahul Gandhi has mocked the exit poll numbers, calling them a mere Modi poll fantasy. Even AAP national coordinator and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal too dubbed this exit poll survey entirely as fake. While asserting confidence in winning 400 seats, BJP on the other hand lashing out at the opposition for doubting all institutions in this country.
इसका नाम एग्जिट पोल नहीं है, इसका नाम मोदी मीडिया पोल है। ये मोदी जी का पोल है, फैंटेसी पोल है उनका।
सर कितनी सीटें आ रही हैं आपके हिसाब से?
सिद्धू मूसेवाला का सॉन्ग सुना आपने? 295।
आपने पहले ईवीएम पे डाउट उठाया था, आपने कहा ईवीएम ठीक नहीं है। किसी ने पूछा जब आपको ये चुनाव जीतते हैं तब ईवीएम ठीक कैसे होते हैं? स्टेट असेंबली इलेक्शन अगर आप जीतते हैं। दूसरा उन्होंने कहा कि ये आप ये करने जा रहे हैं, वो करने जा रहे हैं। देखिए, इलेक्शन कमीशन का एग्जिट पोल से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है। दूसरा, आंकड़े उनको पसंद इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि उनके पास चुनाव के दौरान कोई सही मुद्दे थे नहीं। बट इसमें थोड़ा सा जो राहुल गांधी जी ने कहा ना कि एग्जिट पोल का रिकाउंट होना चाहिए, वो लेवल वही है उनका।
चुनाव खत्म हो चुका है और बहुत सारे एग्जिट पोल तरह तरह की जानकारी दे रहे हैं। भाजपा ने देश में सौहार्द बिगाड़ा, भाईचारा खत्म किया, जाति के खिलाफ जाति, संप्रदाय के खिलाफ संप्रदाय लड़वाया, संविधान द्वारा दिए गए आरक्षण को साजिशन खत्म करने के लिए बेरोजगारों से छल किया।
Let him be happy for the 2 days at least. And why you are trying to break his happiness? Let him be happy for 2 days. You media people, you don't want to even that 2 days he should not be happy. Let him be happy. Let him dream, and people will decide, and people have already decided.
मेरे से लिखवा लो, सारे एग्जिट पोल फर्जी हैं, बिल्कुल फर्जी हैं। एक एग्जिट पोल वाले ने राजस्थान में टोटल 25 सीट है, उसमें 25 में से 33 दे दिए उन्होंने बीजेपी को। असली मुद्दा ये है, इनको गिनती से 3 दिन पहले फर्जी एग्जिट पोल कराने की क्या जरूरत थी?
I never take Rahul Gandhi seriously because he tries to ridicule the agencies and the media. They want media to be their family media. If any media house is independent, then Rahul Gandhi tries to make fun of them. The exit polls are conducted by professional people. I may agree or I may not agree, but you must respect the hard work done by the television channels, the agencies, who had done some kind of a scientific research and activities in terms of coming to the exit polls.
What are your expectations for tomorrow, ma'am? Any comments, please?
Ma'am, exit polls are giving majority to NDA.
We just have to wait and see.
I strongly condemn the effort to put pressure on the media, the effort to try and paint the media black and to undermine the work that the media is doing. We strongly condemn the Congress party and the toolkit and their associates who are working against India's interests and are damaging India's credibility, India's rich tradition of democracy across the world.
Every day is not Sunday, brother. They think that Karnataka, what they have reached last assembly election, they are in the hangover. But that is not the reality. This is the election for country security. What are all the reaction from our opposition friends, it will not going to helpful to them.
Countdown to 2024 Lok Sabha election results has officially begun. Sources say that the BJP is preparing for a grand roadshow. BJP is now all set for a possible third term, and preparations are already underway. In a letter addressed to the people of India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who recently ended his 45-hour meditation in Kanyakumari, says that the development trajectory of Bharat fills us with great pride and glory. India Today has predicted a clear saffron sweep in the country, with Modi's 400 par, 400 par mantra looking like a possible dream. India Today Axis My India exit polls has predicted 361 to 401 seats for BJP-led NDA, 131 to 166 seats for the opposition India bloc. Meanwhile, both India bloc and the BJP have knocked doors of the Election Commission on Sunday to in fact strategize and understand on what next. As we know, Election Commission has clarified right now to not spread false narratives, and whatever narratives that have been unleashed against the Election Commission is done in bad taste. While the BJP warned the poll body against coordinated attempts by the opposition to undermine the integrity of the electoral process, opposition have asked the commission to ensure all guidelines are followed. In fact, EC tries to bust all the narratives that are casting a shadow and doubts over polls and results, basically counting day. You still have India bloc members coming forward and raising doubts on EVMs, with Digvijay in the latest.
चुनाव आयोग एक स्वतंत्र संस्थान है। देश के हर नागरिक को, हर मतदाता को चुनाव आयोग की कार्रवाई पर पूरा भरोसा है, सिवाय वो लोग जो बुरी तरह से 2024 के लोकसभा चुनाव में हार रहे हैं। एग्जिट पोल में तो बुरी तरह से हारे हैं और एग्जैक्ट पोल में उससे भी कम सीटें इंडिया ब्लॉक की आने वाली है। चुनाव आयोग तो भले आप उनसे आग्रह करो या नहीं, वो तो मतदान की पूरी प्रक्रिया को सख्त जो उनकी गाइडलाइंस है उनको पूरा करते हुए करता है। ये चुनाव के हारने के पहले की जो आहट है वो देश के लोग आज सुन रहे हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेताओं की ओर से और इंडिया ब्लॉक के नेताओं की ओर से।
आपने एग्जिट पोल देखा था, 2023 में चुनाव हुआ था मध्य प्रदेश और छत्तीसगढ़ में, जो आंकड़े मिले बीजेपी को, आंकड़े किसी एग्जिट पोल ने दिए थे। उसका विपरीत बंगाल में जो आंकड़े कहे गए वो मिले थे क्या बीजेपी को? ये सब एग्जिट पोल का कारनामा है। तो जनता का पोल ज्यादा आवश्यक है, ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है, एग्जिट पोल नहीं। हम समझते हैं कि जो जमीनी सच है, हमने दिन भर बैठ के जो एक एक लीडर ने अपने लोकल इनपुट के आधार पर अवलोकन करके फिगर दिया वो करेक्ट है, 295 290 के आसपास।
Counting of votes in a country like ours is a very, very important task. Here we went there in a delegation and primarily we demanded that the Election Commission should strictly adhere to the Conduct of Election Rules 1961, Section 54A.
We got to Maushmi on that. Maushmi, while we see that the BJP is already gearing up for multiple rallies, a roadshow, meetings, they really set the ball rolling even before results day. What's the India bloc up to?
So we are told that, on the 4th, Nabila, they've asked all the big top leaders when that meeting took place, as far as, the top leadership should be present in Delhi. And the reason being, that even if the numbers that the India bloc is predicting are correct, if they hover around above 272, that means, this will be the India bloc that will be getting above 272. And they're looking at that situation where, the role of the president would become very, very important in terms of who the president would call first, whether it will be the single largest party or it will be the single largest alliance. And there have been precedents on both sides where, presidents have chosen to call the single largest party to form the government and then, and given time to cobble up the numbers. On the other hand, Mr. Narayanan, in fact, gave preference to the single largest pre-poll aligned bloc earlier. So we will have have to wait and see, and the India bloc is looking at that, because the Congress would not be expecting to become the single largest party as far as the 2024 poll results are concerned. But they are hopeful that there is a silver lining, and if the India bloc can hover over 272, that will be a formidable situation where they can actually, claim to have the majority figure.
Right. Thanks very much, Maushmi, for joining us on that.